Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down just a little bit to find the display and brightness. As you can see here we've got this section with the wallpaper, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got the live wallpapers and those are animated ones, and here we've got some static options from which we can choose. Under it we've got also our gallery and the Google Photos. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So for example this one, and as you can see this is how it will look like after applying. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on set as wallpaper, and right now you can decide basically where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. Now we can go back, and as you can see my wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.